Welcome back. So, we are with Dr. Maharajam on this knowledge sharing journey. So, we've been discussing about management and organization behavior. We are in Unit 4. This is about group dynamics, group behavior. So, before we proceed further, this is the third video in the series. Let us see what we have seen so far, what we have learned so far. So, we have so far learned about organization culture and communication styles in an organization, and we have seen about some of the motivations also. Now what we are going to do today, what is going to be interesting today? So can you guess this, what we are going to do today? Like we have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. There are some pictures. Essentially, I think these pictures are about groups. We can make what happens in stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. So yes, you guessed it right, I hope. So these are the stages in group formation, how groups form and groups how they perform, and finally what happens. So this is our group dynamics. Now let us see each of these in one by one. In the previous video we have seen all this, the overview of all this. Now we will see all these stages in a detailed way. Stage 1, forming. So groups form. So that is by either by formally or informally groups form. So initially orientation and dependence. So there is uncertainty. Members are that does not know about others. They may not know about clear about their roles and responsibilities. And members rely on the leaders for guidance and directions because they may not be familiar. And they politely interact with each other formally and cautiously. Okay, these things happen in the first stage. In the second stage, as the group proceeds further, what happens? Stage 2, storming. It's consisting of resistance and conflict because there will be power struggles. Now people come to know about roles and responsibilities, and they try to assert themselves, their skills and knowledge and other things. They compete for influence and control. So naturally there will be conflicts. Naturally there will be difference of opinions and disagreements, different perspectives. These all things happen. Then there are challenges. The group faces the obstacles of achieving its objectives, and this is the stage the group leader or the supervisor, okay, they iron out the differences. This is essentially storming, like a storm. After the storm, the peace comes. In stage 3, the norming, the development of group cohesion. The team learns to respect each other. This settles down, and members mutually believe and mutually trust others. They resolve their conflicts, and a sense of unity comes in. They share common goals, and both norms form, unwritten laws, unwritten rules, common understanding of its purpose and objective. They have that bonding, group cohesion that happens. Again, the journey continues. In the fourth stage, performing. The group focus on the task, leaving all their individual differences at bay. They started to perform. So it is characterized by hyper productivity. Collaboration and communication will be there. Strong communication, honest communication with trust and mutual respects. The roles and responsibilities are clearly defined beyond ambiguity. So after that, once the purpose is over, what happens? The group either disbandles officially or it disintegrates and moves away. Now let us see a real life case study, forming a new sales team. Let us apply the concepts we studied here. Initially, the team members meet for the first time, sharing their and introduce themselves and the expectations of others. Then disagreements arise over the sales targets and performance metrics. Okay, these all come because of members' individual differences, because of their previous experiences, because of their perceptions. So there will be disagreements. Then they settle down. They have shared strategies. This team develops collaborative strategies to achieve common goals. Then finally, they perform, they achieve their targets and celebrate its collective achievements. They started to have the group cohesion, the unity in diversity sort of thing. So this is about a real case study how a new sales team forms. The initial first meeting, it is, we can refer it to back to our stages in group formation. Okay, what we are seeing here, like stage 1, it is forming, then storming, then norming and performing. The same stages here. The same stages we can apply to the case study. This is forming, then storming in the second stage, sales target, then shared strategy, that is norming, and sales success is performing. Clear? Now let us test what we have learned today. So what is the primary characteristic of the farming stage? What happens in a farming stage? Question number 2, what is the key challenge in the storming stage? Okay, find out the answers. And then how the group cohesion is established in the norming stage. Question number 4 is what is the primary focus of the performing stage? Find answers to all these questions. It will be very interesting learning. And to enhance your learning further, we have also included further readings. And today we have studied how a group forms, the group dynamics. We have seen clearly the 4 to 5 stages of group forming, storming, norming and performing. And we have also seen the practical application using a case study of sales team formation. I am Dr. Maharajan, sharing my knowledge. Be with me, watch my videos. Thank you, bye.